The LF900 leg sleeves for medical applications are 4-chambered with an overlapping design. For most presentations, you'll only need 3 measures: leg length, largest thigh circumference, and largest calf circumference. The first measure is leg length. This measure defines the sleeve coverage on the limb. If you are after a full leg sleeve, then you measure from crotch to heel. If you are after a half leg sleeve, then you're measuring just below the knee to the heel. The full length measure is a straight line. 2 methods include standing using the tape measure in a plumb line and running from in line with the crotch to the floor, or you may use a measurement board with the client in supine with the foot in a neutral plane and then measuring from the crotch to the heel. For half legs, the measure that you need is the minimum length that you would need to cover the lower leg region. This may be at or below the knee crease on the back of the leg. The next measure is the thigh circumference. Within the thigh, find the largest circumference. It doesn't matter where it is, whether it's closer to the knee or towards the top of the leg. You can measure in a seated position with the client sitting on the edge of a firm and stable chair, or use a measurement board. In either method, you're using the side or top shape of the leg to determine where that largest measurement is. This measure is a contour measurement. In general, you would not need to apply tension through the tape as you would with a compression stocking measure. Next is the calf circumference. Again, you need the largest circumference of the lower leg, regardless of where it is, whether that be closer to the ankle or towards the knee. You can measure in a seated position or using a measurement board, and again, use the side or top shape of the leg to determine where that largest region of the leg is and take a contour measure. Looking at the size chart for the LF900 overlapping leg sleeve, the length measure in the size chart is the physical dimension of the sleeve. Select the size that provides best coverage for the limb length that you have measured. Note the naming convention for the Medi-Rent sleeve range in the style column. Small, medium, large, and half refer to the length of the sleeves. Standard, wide, and extra wide refer to circumference. Let's say that the length measure I took was 74 centimeters. The sleeve style group that I'll be looking at is medium. Now, the largest thigh in our example was right over the muscle bulk. Let's say it was 55 centimeters. This limb circumference is more than 10 centimeters smaller than the value in the size chart, but that's okay. The circumference values in the size chart are the maximum size of the limb to fit within the sleeve and allow it to still inflate adequately. And the compression sleeve is able to inflate to the size of most adult limb dimensions that are smaller than the values in the chart. What we do here is choose the smallest dimension sleeve in the length group. Finally, the largest calf is located at the muscle belly. Let's say it was 40 centimeters, which fits the medium M401 size. This is our size selection, which can be entered into the referral form in the notes. Or if you're unsure, you can still provide the 3 measures for Medi-Rent customer service to select a sleeve size for you. If the measures you have taken do not fit the sizes displayed in the chart, fill the referral form in, and Medi-Rent customer service will look through the full catalogue of sleeve options available to determine best fit using another brand, or they will advise on whether custom sizing may be the only option.